Welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 6th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Moving on to Eurodollar now, and Eurodollar has just slightly rallied off yesterday's low. Yesterday's low coming in at 108.47, just a slight rebound, but again you would argue that rebounds are a chance to sell on this Eurodollar. I continue to see that. I mean, looking at the momentum indicators, that's certainly they're in corrective mode. Stochastics continuing to fall away. MACD lines never really getting going in terms of pushing above neutral, and the RSI also still falling away. So you'd be using rallies as a chance to sell, and you've had another rally, as I said, from yesterday's low of 108.47, and that sort of gave you about 60 odd ticks. No, a little bit more than that, almost 100 ticks, but it seems to have fallen over again, and it's interesting enough that this falling over has come. I mean, I talked about the resistance yesterday at 109.30, sort of that seemed sort of between 109.20 109.30, and that seems to be the resistance initially, interestingly enough. So that is your initial barrier, as the euro has just started to fall away again in the European session, as the European trading has got going. So unwound this momentum again. The hourly chart, just zoom out here, we can see that the rallies tend to sort of fall over around that 60 point on the RSI, interestingly enough. And I said on the morning report also, wait for a sell signal. You could be close to getting that sell signal, because you're seeing beginning to see the MACD lines crossing back lower again. Stochastics have already sort of started to fall away again, so could well be seeing this sell signal. So anything around the 109 to sort of 109.30 area seems to be a decent sell point, I think, on this euro dollar chart. I think we're going to get a retest of the 108.47 lows. You've actually saw that low hit twice yesterday, interestingly enough. So that is obviously your initial support, but generally speaking, I think we're still going to come back and retest these lows. 108.08 to the pip is the low from July, so I can see that being tested in the coming days. You've got payrolls tomorrow though, so perhaps if you don't get that test today, you might see a bit of consolidation in front of payrolls and then move on payrolls. So could well have an impact on the price. But certainly I think the technicals are suggesting further downside pressure and a test of the key range lows. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.